Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2018 Infiniti Q60 and we're going to do the side Fender Chrome Delete installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the side fender piece, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material, that way it gives the vehicle a different appearance. If you like the product, the link for the product will be in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before starting with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the panel. You could just get a spray bottle, add water and baby shampoo, and just make sure you spray it on your microfiber towel and just start removing any contaminants that the panel may have. And just make sure when you're cleaning it that everything is completely dry afterwards. And then once the panel is ready to go, you can start with the installation. So when it comes to installing this piece here, you want to align it on this edge first. So align it right on top and just make sure you're giving yourself enough coverage to cover the chrome on top. And then with this one, all you need to do is place the film and just make sure it's aligned to the panel. And if you need to lift to readjust, you can. It's that simple. It should cover everything. And let's say we need to readjust it here, just lift it and reapply it. That's pretty much it. So just grab your squeegee, start tacking down the film, help it tack down around the curves. So right now we're focused on tacking down just the flat surface on this area of the curve here. We're just going to apply a little bit of heat. That way we help the film release the tension that it has and help it tack down to the curve all around this side. So grab your heat gun and start applying heat around this edge and then help it tack down. Lift it carefully here and apply heat. Let it cool off, and with your finger, help it tack down and it should feel flat. And then with your squeegee, start tacking it down. And it's just covering this section of the chrome. And just continue on, apply heat to tack it down on this curve and apply heat here as well. And then once you're done applying heat all around the edges, we can trim off the excess material. And now trim off all that excess material. So find the gap right here inside the panel, and that's where you would trim off all that excess material. So there's a small gap, and that's where you would trim it off. Find a small gap here too, and trim off the excess material. And that's pretty much it. And now all we need to do now is, once we finish trimming off the excess material, is apply heat just to help tack down any edges that are still lifting. So this process could be post heating as well. Since you're already applying heat, just post heat the whole thing. And then once you're done post heating and adding heat and helping it tack down everywhere, you're basically done with the installation. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the side fender chrome delete installation for the 2018 Infiniti Q60. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.